Synthetic paint sealants have been around for a long time, and side by side, they tend to outlast and outperform traditional carnauba waxes. Wolfgang's SiO2 paint sealant uses nano-sized particles of silicon dioxide for protection, gloss, and shine. Unlike many SiO2 products, you can apply this by hand or machine, making quick work out of any project, especially large things like RVs, motorhomes, and fifth-wheel trailers. The SiO2 creates a super hydrophobic surface. We see this as extreme water beading. The advanced polymer technology creates a super slick and slippery surface, plus extreme gloss and shine. Together, the proprietary blend of silicon dioxide and synthetic polymer technology provides your car with long-lasting protection, easy washing and drying, and the slick, slippery, high-gloss finish everyone loves. Apply by hand or use any orbital polisher to make quick work out of your detailing project. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.